Okay, we've let this set up a little bit, so it's not going to slide on us. So now we're going to add our next piece. And then this piece, we're going to let it set real good overnight, because we have to cut this back piece off, and we want to make sure we have a really nice bond on it. So again, you're just going to get your alignment where you want it. Make it a little snug with your clamp until you get a couple of clamps on there. And then once you get a couple on there, then you can tighten it up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So we'll wipe this off and then let it set up and dry. Thanks for watching.